Welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes. Today we are solving Jadavpur University Economics Undergraduate Entrance Test Examination paper and we are at question number 8. So let's solve. We are being given what? We are being given f of g of x is equals to x and f prime x is equals to 1 plus f x. Okay, and then g of x is given 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so what do you have to find? F of x. So from here we can see that f of g of x is equal to x. So if we differentiate both sides, what we get using chain rule, obviously, f prime g x and g x is equals to 1. That is by chain rule. Okay, now we use, so g this is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So f of g x is equals to 1 by g x. Okay, so that is 1 plus x square. Now we will match it with which we got here. So that is, so here f this is equals to 1 plus f of x square. Okay, so f of gx is equals to 1 plus f of g of x. This is 1 plus x square. Why? Since f of g x is equal to x, so this is consistent. Correct. Now we need a function fx, that is f is equals to 1 plus f of x square. Okay, so this is a differential equation. We will solve it. So then df by dx will be 1 plus f square, or df by 1 plus f square is equal to dx. Okay, so tan inverse f of x is x plus c, or fx is equal to tan x plus c. So we need a specific function. So here fx is equal to tan x if I take, then so we'll check the options. First tan x, let's see. So here fx is equal to tan x. So then f is equals to 1 plus tan square x. So that is sec square x, which is not equal to 1 plus f of x square. Okay, that is 1 plus tan square x. So then this works. So if we check the inverse gx, that is tan inverse x, then f of g of x is f of tan inverse x, that is tan of tan inverse x, that is x. And what is g? That is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so my correct option is fx of tan x. So option C is your correct answer.